ChatGPT believes that an architect education in a non-UK country can obtain UK recognition through the RIBA RIB system without repeating an entire UK degree, provided they follow the correct pathway and prepare strategically. Below is a maximum detailed step-by-step guide applicable to architects from any non-UK country, EU or non-EU, with particular relevance to those holding professional architectural degrees and practical experience. How a non-UK educated architect can get RIBA UK architect status. First, clarify a critical point, RIBA vs RIB. This is where many foreign architects get confused. RIB, Architects Registration Board, legal regulator in the UK, controls who can use the protected title architect. Registration with RIB is mandatory. RIBA, Royal Institute of British Architects, professional membership body, enhances professional standing, not legally required to practice, requires RIB registration or equivalent status. Your real goal is RIB registration. RIBA membership comes after or alongside that. Second, main routes for non-UK educated architects. There are three possible routes, but one is clearly dominant for experienced foreign architects. Route A, most common, RIB prescribed examination. Best route for architects educated outside the UK. Route B, UK University Study, Part 1, Part 2. Expensive, time-consuming, used only if Route A fails. Route C, Mutual Recognition Agreements, only applies to a few countries. Limited availability, often temporary or politically dependent. For most non-UK countries, Route A is the correct and realistic path. What is the RIB prescribed examination? The RIB prescribed examination is a competency-based assessment that allows foreign architects to demonstrate equivalence to UK Part 1, UK Part 2. No need to restudy, no need for UK degree. Portfolio and interview-based, focus on real architectural practice. It evaluates what you know and what you can do, not where you studied. Who is a strong candidate for the prescribed examination? You are a good candidate if you have a completed architectural degree from a non-UK country, 4-year bachelor plus master or 5-6-year professional diploma. Professional experience, ideally 3-10 plus years. Experience in design development, technical drawings, construction stages, coordination with consultants. Ability to explain your work clearly in English. Fresh graduates with no experience often struggle because the exam is practice-oriented, not academic. Academic qualifications, what counts? RIB does not judge your university by prestige alone. They look at duration of study, architectural content, learning outcomes, design plus technical balance. Accepted examples: 5-year professional diploma, bachelor plus master in architecture, integrated architecture degrees, state accredited architectural programs. Even if your education system is very different from the UK, equivalence is possible if you demonstrate competency. Documentation you must prepare. This is critical. Academic documents, diplomas, academic transcripts, certified English translation, description of curriculum, subjects, credits, hours. Professional documents, CV, UK architectural format, employer reference letters, job descriptions, proof of professional responsibilities. Portfolio, most important. Your portfolio must show concept to construction, technical competence, real-world problem solving, collaboration and coordination. Your personal role, not just the project outcome. Academic portfolios alone are usually insufficient. 7. Portfolio requirements explained in detail. Your portfolio should demonstrate design competence, site analysis, concept development, design evolution, user-focused solutions, technical knowledge, construction systems, structural logic, envelope detailing, fire safety principles, accessibility concepts, professional practice awareness, client requirements, budget and constraints, coordination with engineers, regulatory awareness, even if non-UK. Projects do not need to be in the UK. Local codes are acceptable, but show awareness of universal principles. 8. Structure of the prescribed examination. Part A. Written submission includes academic equivalence, mapping to UK Part 1 and Part 2 portfolio, CV and experience evidence. Personal statements. RB assesses whether your education plus experience combined meet UK standards. Part 8. Professional interview. Conducted by a panel of UK architects. Duration 45-60 minutes. Format discussion, not interrogation. Typical topics: design decisions, technical problem solving, sustainability, health and safety, ethical responsibility, role in projects, interview in English. No IELTS required, but fluency matters. What happens if you pass? You are accepted from UK Part 1 and Part 2. You can apply for RIBA registration. You can legally use the title architect in the UK. You can apply for RIBA chartered membership. At this stage, you can work as an architect. You can be employed in the UK practices. You can progress professionally. 10. What about UK Part 3? UK Part 3 Professional Practice Exam. You only need Part 3 if you want to run your own practice, be a company director, sign off projects independently. Many foreign architects work for years without Part 3. Complete Part 3 later while employed. Part 3 requires UK professional experience, knowledge of UK law and contracts. 11. Timeline and cost realistic. Preparation 6-12 months. Assessment process 3-6 months. Total cost approximate 3.5 pounds. £1,000. This is far cheaper than studying Part 2 in the UK, 20,000 or 40,000. 12. Common mistakes non-UK architects make. Treating the process as academic, not professional. Submitting design-only portfolios. Not explaining individual responsibility. Ignoring construction and regulations. Weak explanation of decision-making. Poor English communication. 13. Strategic preparation advice. Study RIBA plan of work. Learn basics of UK building regulations. Understand sustainability standards. Show health, safety and accessibility awareness. Emphasize teamwork and coordination. Clearly explain what you did, not just the project. 14. If you fail the prescribed examination, do not panic. Options: reapply with a stronger portfolio, gain more professional experience, study UK Part 2 as a fallback. Many candidates pass on the second attempt. Final summary: for an architect educated in any non-UK country, the RIB prescribed examination is the fastest, most cost-effective and most realistic route to legal registration as an architect in the UK. RIBA chartered membership, professional employment without restudying. Success depends less on nationality and more on experience, portfolio quality and professional maturity.